Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off ambient mode on YouTube. Let's start. Open up the web browser. Here search YouTube. Go into your profile from the top right corner. From here, click on Appearance Light. Choose the dark theme. As you can see, now the YouTube theme has turned black. Click to play any video. Go into its settings. When you click on the settings icon, from here you can turn on or turn off ambient mode. Click to turn on the ambient mode. You can see the difference in display when you turn on or turn off the ambient mode. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this, and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.